Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change currency on Alibaba. First of all, launch open Alibaba application. You can see over here Alibaba application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Right now, you can see over here all the prices are being displayed in US dollars. That means US dollars is selected as the currency for me. So if you want to change the currency, it is actually very simple. Tap on this icon My Alibaba that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to change the currency, you'll have to access the settings. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here at third, you'll be able to find the option for currency. Right now USD is selected, simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various other currencies over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the currency of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here the currency has been changed. Now all the prices will be displayed in the changed currency. So like this, you'll be able to change the currency. So that is how you change currency on Alibaba. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.